Leo? That hurts. I didn't mean... Why did I say that? Dinner is ready! Not now! She looked sad.
What happened?
I said something bad.
What did you say?
I said, I hate you.
Sigh. Words can hurt.
I didn't mean it.
It's okay, Leo. Then tell her. It takes courage. I know it's scary, Leo, but you are braver than you think.
I'll try, Dad.
Night falls.
I hurt her. I love her. I'm sorry.
Morning light enters room.
Emma at sink quietly.
Mom? I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I know. I need this. I love you. I love you too.
Words matter. But love matters more.
Let's have breakfast together.
That sounds lovely.
Yeah!
All right, time for some juice.
Yes, please.
And for you, champ.
Thanks, Dad. Can I help?
Yes, of course.
Leo, could you place the napkins, please?
Okay, Dad. Thank you, sweetie.
That's perfect. I'm so proud of you, Leo.
I love you so much, Leo.
I love you too, Mom. I will try to think before I speak.
That's my boy.
That's brave. It's a good day, Leo.
Yeah, we're all together.
There we go, all set.
Today will be better.
Every day is a new chance.
And we learn.
Words can hurt, but love can heal.